Good morning, all of you. I, Razia Patan from Gnanaji Vidyapith, standard 5th, subject maths. So, students, today we'll start unit number 1, multiplication of large number. So, before starting the new unit, multiplication of large number, first we will do recap. Multiplication of recap, worksheet number 1. Worksheet number 1, page number 5th. Page number 5th. So students, in that you all are knowing how to do the multiplication sums, correct? So we'll start that multiplication sums. Solve the following multiplication sums. In that first one sum is 401 into 61. 401 into 61. So in that we have to write 401 multiply by 61. 1 ones are 1, 1 zeros are 0, 1 fours are 4. We have to put cross here. 6 ones are 6, 6 zeros are 0, 6 fours are 24. We have to put here plus sign. 1 as it is, 0 plus 6, 6, 4 plus 0, 4, 4 as it is, 2 as it is. So answer is, here we have to write answer 401 into 61 is equal to 24,461. 24,461. Now next sum, B1 sum. In that 923 into 37. 923 into 37. So we have to write here 923 into 37. 7 3s are 21. We have to put here 1. 2 is a carryover. 7 2s are 40. 40 plus 2. 14 on your mind, 2 on your finger. 14, then 15, 16. We have to write 6 here. 1 is a carryover. 7 9s are 63. 63 plus 1, 64. Now we will put here cross. 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. 3 9s are 80. 3 9s are 27. 3 9s are 27. Put a plus sign over here. 1 as it is. 6 plus 9, 15. Write here 5. 1 is a carryover. 9 plus 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 6, 11. 1 is a carryover. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 7, 14. Write here 4. 1 is a carryover. 1 plus 2. Answer is 3. So here we have to write answer 923 into 37 is equal to 34,151. Now look at these sums everyone and write it down in your notebook. I'll give you 1 minute, so you have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll start next sums. See one sum, 276 into 74 is there. So in that we have to write here 276 into 74. 4 6 are 24. Write here 4. 2 is a carry over. 4 7s are 28. 28 plus 2, 28, then 29, 30. Write here 0. 3 is a carry over. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3. 8, then 9, 10, 11. We have to write here 11. Cross it out here. 7 6 are 42. Write here 2. 4 is a carry over. 7 7s are 49. 49 plus 4. 49, then 46. 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. Write here 3. 5 is a carry over. 7 2s are 40. 40 plus 5. 40, then 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Write here 19. Put here plus sign. 4 as it is. 2 plus 0. 2 as it is. 3 plus 1 4. 4 1 plus 9 10. Write here 1. 1 is a carry over. 1 plus 1 2. So final answer is equal to 276 into 74 is equal to 20,424. 20,424. Now next sum, D1 sum. In that 512 into 511 is there. 512 into 511. So in that we have to write here 512 into 511. So in that 1 2s are 2, 1 1s are 1, 1 5s are 5. Put here cross. 1 2s are 2, 1 1s are 1, 1 5s are 5. Put double cross. 5 2s are 10. Write here 0. 1 is a carry over. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 1 6. 5 5s are 25. Write here 25. Plus sign over here. 2 as it is. 2 plus 1 3. 5 plus 1 6. 5 plus 6 11. 1 is a carry over. 5 plus 1 6. 2 as it is. So in that answer is equal to 5012 into 511 12 into 511. So in that answer is 2,61,632. Now look at both the sums everyone and write it down in your notebook. I'll give you 2 minutes. You have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope so work is complete. Now we'll start next sums. Now we'll start even sum. 316 multiplied by 759. So in that 316 into 759, 9 zeros are 0, 9 6 are 54, right here 4, 5 is carry over, 9 3s are 18, 18 plus 9, 18 then 9 3s are 27, 27 plus 5, 27 then 26, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So here we have to write 32. Then put here cross, 5 zeros are 0, 5 6 are 30, 3 is a carry over, 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 3, 15 then 16, 17, 18, right here 18, cross it out here, 7 zeros are 0, 7 6 are 42, right here 2, 4 is a carry over, 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 2, 21 plus 4, 25 is there, 0 as it is, 4 as it is, 2 as it is, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 3, 13, 1 is a carry over, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 2 as it is. So in that case, answer is we have to write the answer over here. 316 into 759 is equal to 2,73,240. This is the answer. Now we'll start next sum, F1 sum. In that question is 941 into 354. So in that we have to write over here 951 into 354. So in that 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16, right here 6, 1 is a carry over, 4 9s are 36, 36 plus 1, 37 is there, cross it out here, 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20, right here 0, 2 is a carry over, 5 9s are 45, 45 plus 2, 47, cross it out here, 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, 1 is a carry over, 3 9s are 27, 27 plus 1, 28, right, plus sign over here. In that answer is 4 as it is, 5 plus 6, 11, 1 is a carry over, 7 plus 1, 7 then 8, 8 plus 2, 8 plus 2, 9, 10, 11, right here 1 is a carry over, 7 plus 3, 7 then 8, 9, 10, 10 plus 1 and then 11, 11 plus 2. 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 2, 10, 11, 12, 12 plus 1, 30, right here 3, 1 is a carry over, 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 1, 30, right here 3, 1 is a carry over, 1 plus 2, 3, so in that answer is here 3,33,140. Now look at these sums everyone, write it down in your notebook. I'll give you 2 minutes, you have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now your homework is you have to complete the worksheet number 6, page number 5, and write this all the sums in your workbook, worksheet number 1, page number 5. So here our recap is complete. Now tomorrow we'll start unit number 2, multiplication in daily life. डेली लाइफ में हमें कहाँ पे मल्टीप्लिकेशंस करना है वो हम सीखेंगे. सो दिस इज राइट नाउ your homework is worksheet number 1, page number 5. This one is your homework. You have to complete your homework and send it to me before 3 o'clock. Okay everyone, bye, have a nice day. I hope so you all are complete the sum number A to F. Okay everyone, bye, have a nice day.